Hi guys, Eva here. The second episode of Eva's travel tips will be about visa runs. Let's get to it. Welcome again from the beautiful Thomas Beach. I love coming down here. It's so close to where we live. I can literally walk here, and in the mornings there's no one here, so it makes it for a perfect place to record a video. And also this morning the boys are surfing at Padang Beach, which if you've been to Bali, you know I can basically see them lining up here, and Steve is up on a hill filming, so makes it a pretty cool morning. Let's get to explaining what a visa run is. Visa run is a term very popular among expats living here in Bali, just because you can legally be here for only 30 days, and then after that you can either extend your visa for additional 30 days if you applied for a visa on arrival, video linked here, or you can do what they call a visa run. Visa run basically means that to renew your visa you have to exit and re-enter the country again. Singapore and Kuala Lumpur are usually the quickest and the cheapest flights out of Bali, and a lot of people just fly in and out the same day. The flight will cost you about $180 to $200 for a round trip. And some other places you can visit are Perth in Australia, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, and so on. Just a quick tip when doing a visa run to Singapore. There have been rumors that the Singapore immigration have been making a big stink about all the expats going there for just one day to do a visa run. Apparently some of them have been detained and sent back, which caused a lot of problems. If you're going to Singapore to do a visa run, as far as anyone is concerned, you are not there to do a visa run. You're there to see a friend for a quick meeting. Better yet, just book a couple days to visit Singapore. This way you won't get any problems with the immigration office, and it will give you a chance to visit this beautiful country. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and find this video useful. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me a lot. If you do have any additional questions about what the visa run is or how it works, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them for you guys. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.